walking up the waterfall, the Huai Kiao Waterfall. A lot of little shops along the way, but this is supposed to be a very small waterfall. Maybe there's a fee to go in, I don't know. National parks are alcohol-free zone. Okay. I think we might have to pay to go in. Information. Nobody's here. 36. I think that's it. That might be it. Not much water, not much fall. We just walk around a little bit, that's all. But this one actually has some Chinese writing. So either a lot of Chinese come here, or that they cater to the Chinese tourists. Huai Kiao Bu, Huai Kiao Waterfall. Not much water here, probably because it's not the rainy season. So it's a nice and peaceful place, except for the guy who's using his weed whacker. But once you get up here, you can hear the water flowing, and then it's a nice little tranquil area that you can walk up. Oh, I do see a waterfall up there, so all is not lost. Here water is kind of stagnant still, but looks like up there is a waterfall. So we'll hike up there and see what happens. A little bit of the more of the waterfall, a little bit close-up look. Not very well developed, but you could go and climb there if you want, but probably not worth it. Such a tiny thing. And there are few different trails here, so you could walk around. There's a trail on that side. See, you can go up that side. Maybe that's what we should do. Looks pretty impressive here. It's not a huge waterfall, but it's good enough for a little outing. There's a little bit more water up there, more interesting, but I think we're not going to go up that way. And then looking around, it's a tiny place. Nice little place to just come and spend half an hour, maybe. That's about it. It's a little rooster here. He's not crowing at me, but he was crowing just a minute ago. Lots of roosters around here. That's our little bike. Took us all around. Well, walking around the lake at Chiang Mai University. Serene, beautiful, quiet, lots of birds. Very nice lake. Even nicer than the one in Boston University, Boston College, because this one has a lot of ins and outs and trees around the area, chairs to sit on along the lake, and just beautiful scenery, not just a body of water. And lots of birds, nature. Beautiful. Hiếm phúc sướng. couple of students graduating, taking pictures here. So looks like they're having a good time.
Oh, you're from Chiang University, I see. So right now is holidays. You graduate in summer. This is summer.
Yes, this is summer.
Oh, this is summer now.
Yes.
So you graduate. So okay. Did you find a job? Yeah.
Now
She has her own business.
Own
Startup.
business.
He made a startup.
startup about sensory evaluation.
Okay.
Is service.
A service, like a service industry.
Yes.
Where will it's in Chiang Mai or
In Chiang Mai, my office in the
Northern
Northern Science
Northern
Park.
Science in Mai Hien.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How? Not in the city.
Yeah, but it's in the CMU.
Oh,
But and under the
under the CNU.
Yeah.
I see. And what about you? Are you going back to Bangkok?
Actually, I live here, but I
You live
did, here?
here?
Yeah, study at Chiang Mai University at Bangkok.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. You speak very well.
Thank you.
We just walk around. I think this is a very beautiful park. So I saw you are wearing the uniform. So I saw some other people having the graduation uniform.
Yes.
So I thought. So you're the photographer.
Not exactly. Just I can take it, but
Okay,
not
okay.
professional.
Okay. Do you have to take English lessons when you're in high school or in college?
Yes.
In high school.
Actually, entire life.
In what?
Oh, entire life.
Entire life.
Entire life. I see. That's very good.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a great day.
A vlog or not, or just
Just for ourselves. Yeah, for our travel. Yeah.
We travel around the world.
We are from America.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So it was hard to come here with all that's happening.
It's start summer since maybe 3 March.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And I just saw that in the afternoon it will be rise to 40 Celsius.
Oh, okay.
they're
Yeah,
very hot.
very hot.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. We're going back to the hotel and sleep in the afternoon.
And swim.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Sawadee krap. We are back at the Maya Lifestyle Center, which is on the way from Chiang Mai University. So very convenient here for the fruit juice and the fruit juice and the food court. Check our temperature. Make sure we're okay. Ooh, good stuff here. And crowd is thin today, so because it's probably still early, so perfect. Let's see what we're gonna have today. Well, we are definitely eating street food here. This is the night market, and this market, lots of food here. So we're gonna have a pad thai, cooked to order, a seafood pad thai, and a shrimp instant noodle. So they're gonna stir fry to order. I think you can drink water if you want. We'll probably be going to get something else to drink, but lots of different people here. Some Westerners, some foreigners definitely, and all kind of food, clothing, and this is Saturday, therefore this is probably going to be a hopping place. So we are going to go local here today. I think this would be the best fun thing to do. So we just had our pad thai and stir fry instant noodles here, and we're gonna venture out and check it out some more. Check this one out, KFG fried chicken. Talk about a knockoff. It's not too bad. And fried shrimp also. Soy sauce pork. Khao Ka Mu. Mu means pork. Lots of these bucks around tonight. This one is for drinks. Looks like fruit juice. Long line here. And this is siu mai and bao. This would be look like some kind of noodles. These noodles look pretty decent. Look like you can get noodle, beef and pork ball noodle. Maybe. I'm gonna go take a look behind the scene here. And here is fruit shake for 20 baht. This is, of course, give you a little bit of fruit and lots of sugar, not a fruit juice. I thought it was that one. Let's go take a look. So we got some dessert and some pastry, and we also got some this mango sticky rice. It's 50 baht, a little bit steeper than Terminal 21. But what I want to show you is this street side Bangkok street side sushi, 5 baht or 10 baht, and you can have salmon sushi. You can have all kind of rolls, and this is real sushi. This is no joking. This is raw fish, and it's got shellfish, the works. Got masago. This is fried dumplings too. And for 60, cheaper than when we bought it. And tonight, because there's a lot of bugs, a lot of them have to turn their lights off. Termite swarming. Hey, there's takoyaki here. There's 8 for 40 baht. And a lot of fried. Oh, they speak Chinese. So this is barbecue seafood here for 15 baht. Okay. 係啊嚇，佢原來識講中文，可能好多識講啲中文都唔定。So this one is this is the Hainanese chicken rice. 雞飯、豬腳飯。But I am in no mood for Hainanese chicken rice. I am more waiting for the mango sticky rice. This is grilled chicken spring roll. 嗰啲好似係 shrimp ball, cheese ball. No cheese ball. And this is the man that we bought some dessert. This is fresh fruit, only 20 baht. And this is the man that we brought some stuff from. Looks like the same stuff where we bought our stuff earlier. And coconut is 25 baht. And then we got some seafood salad, spicy salad, and all kind of goodie. seafood spicy salad, noodle salad, 40 baht, 50 baht, 35 baht. And then you have a proper shop here for smoothie. But not a whole lot of customers here yet. This is a kebab place. Nope, no customer. Well, one customer, two customers. And that's the end, and this is the gate. This is called the gate, something gate market. Forgot what the name is, but you can't miss it. You just go around the city wall and you will see it. It's here every night, and lots of good food, good dessert, everything.